Today we'll talk about how can you find starter likes on your Bluesky app. We'll go to figure out the solution or know how you can do that on your Bluesky app. So you just follow these ways, then it's going to work with you. All you have to do in the first, you just go here, you go above this sign, click on it. So then it's going to show for you a list like this here. You click here on your photo profile, just click on it. Then it's going to take you to this list. It's going to show for you like this here. You come to this lane here, then you swipe like this until here you see here starter packs. Click on it, and here you will find it in this list. Can you create it here? I have no packs here or starter pack. Can you create it here in here? Add here, or what do you want to call your starter pack? Add name, and here add subscribe and next, or add bio here and next, and it's going to create with you. That's all. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to support us by liking, subscribe.